Gabriel, you did a nice job for me. I'm happy with the window shutters you're doing. Perfect, man. Nice.
All right, as you can see, this is the problem when you use all plastic instead of metal. Many people use the plastic spikes or plastic screws, as you can see on the screen. They are cheaper, but they are not good. They don't last long. So always I prefer to spend a little bit more and install the metal screws to all my customers when I install the shutter. They come loose very quickly. You see, you don't have to use that if you don't use. If you use screws or metal, it's way better.